How long ago did I decide to write a book? It was 3 years ago that I decided to write a book. When I was introduced to SPS, that was probably about March, and I had the book. I had joined SPS in March and had the book done by August. Why did I decide to join self-publishing school? Well, since joining self-publishing school, I have realized that the culture is very much authors helping authors. And there was another author that reached out to me and said, you need to get involved in SPS. So really it was a referral from somebody I trusted. My favorite part of the process so far really speaks to what my greatest fear was going into this, which was, I can't do this. I really can't write a book and publish a book myself. And so with that, I knew that I needed help, and I identified very early on that I needed community. And so participating in SPS has offered community. And what is probably different than other communities is that people here at SPS have decided to invest in themselves, and people who decide to invest really value what they're doing. And so the quality of content and coaching and community is by far leaps and bounds ahead of some of the other writing groups I've been in. My coach is Marcy Pusey. Everything about her resonates with who I am, and Marcy has been invaluable to me. She has not allowed me to recreate the wheel. She's gone there and done that and been successful, and so I can look to her for any questions that I have. Oh, the biggest value overall I've taken from self-publishing school unequivocally has been the community, has been the people that I've met, and again, the people that join self-publishing school are invested in themselves. And so this culture just attracts that, people of high quality that desire to invest in themselves. And so it's like ironing, sharpening iron. The precedence is really high, and so I learn a lot in the process because of the expectation placed on me, and then also what I'm garnering from other people is quality. So one of the things that Chandler mentions is what you feel like when you go to the mailbox and see your book for the first time. And for me, that moment was seeing that first page. It sounds kind of funny, but that first page with the ISBN number and the copyright, and it didn't legitimize me as an author, but it legitimized what I could accomplish. And that fear of thinking, oh, I can't do this. This is so overwhelming. Where do I begin? That all of us as self-publishing students think at one point, it didn't matter anymore after I saw that. What I would tell someone who's on the fence about joining self-publishing school is that what I have received here has been a return on my investment over and over. This helps you get to where you want to go. It takes someone who has the possibility of changing the world with their words and moves them to someone who actually is changing the world with their words. And SPS allows us to do that.